Hi, my name is Kathy and I work for Dr. Fatima Vafai at Sincere Smiles in San Jose. And today and yesterday I attended Dr. Ruiz's seminar for supragingival dentistry, and I feel like it has benefited me a lot. I feel like diagnosis and treatment planning is so important and beneficial in a dental practice because I feel like it is the focal point. People should spend more time learning about personality traits, which I'm so glad that Dr. Ruiz had taught us today and yesterday, because it actually shows us how we can interact better with patients, understand that we're there for them, and to kind of correlate our personalities with theirs so that they can better understand why we are there for them. Also in this course, Dr. Ruiz had taught us about occlusal and occlusal disease, the different symptoms and signs, how we can basically find out how they have it by seeing if they have frequent headaches,